So I heard this crazy fact about best, right? The best secret, right? Or this best fact. And it honestly blew my mind. I essentially got up out of my chair and went to prove it to be true or false. And when I tried it out, it was actually true, and it sincerely shocked me. And I'm here now to share it with you to see if you find it as shocking as I did. So I was on the phone with John Trumpy the other day, and he was telling me that the best A key is the exact reverse as the Schlage C keyway, like an SC1. And he says, as a matter of fact, you could take a best A key, or like a BE2 key, and stick it into the back of a Schlage C cylinder, and it will go in. And I was thinking in my head, I'm like, I've seen the best A key several times, right? The keyway shape, I'm sure you have too. And it never once has dawned on me that it's the exact reverse. Check this out. So I went and grabbed just your standard key and knob cylinder. This is just like a K001 type cylinder. As you can see through the keyway here, it's just your standard Schlage C. Now, if I grab a SC1, all right, of course, I'm gonna be able to get it put in, no problem, right? Now, if I grab a best A key, right, and you remove the cap off the back, check this out. It goes, it goes right in. Gotta push that one out to get that one in. So there you have it. There's a BE2 or best A keyway, slides perfectly into the back of a standard Schlage keyway cylinder. Now, for a person like me that absolutely loves keyway profiles and patterns and loves to memorize them, I'm shocked, okay, that I already did not know this information, and it's really just kind of fun. And so my question is, did you know this information? Did you know a best A key and a Schlage C keyway are the exact mere opposites of each other? I find it pretty shocking, and I'd love to know if you already knew this information or if it's a surprise like it was to me. Please let me know in the comments below, and make sure you include the hashtag LockBoss to be entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every Tuesday here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Here we go. All right, so this is the best secret. Best secret. Okay, Connor, you ready for this, man? Let's do it. Hey, so I want to have a little bit of fun. No. So I heard this What in the world? All right, here we go.